case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, an intriguing legal dispute centered around the McCords, a family who found themselves in financial distress after purchasing 260 acres from the Looneys. The key issue of Looney v. Farmers Home Administration was how the courts could respond if a land buyer fails to honor their payment commitments. The options were to authorize the seller to repossess the land, forfeiture, or to permit the buyer to retain the land after settling their dues, foreclosure. In the original agreement dated October 7, 1976, the McCords committed to annual payments of $23,280 for the $250,000 land, along with provisions for real estate taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. When they faced financial difficulties, they secured an emergency loan from the Farmers Home Administration, FmHA, using the land as their collateral. Unfortunately, they defaulted on the payments, prompting the Looneys to initiate action to reclaim the property via forfeiture. Despite the McCords' considerable payments towards the contract, which amounted to about 33% of the contract price, the district court initially sided with the Looneys. However, the FmHA fervently contested this decision, advocating for foreclosure as the fairer resolution. They insisted that the McCords had a legitimate stake in the land and that the land value significantly outweighed the McCords' debt to the Looneys. The higher court agreed with the FmHA, concluding that the lower court had erred. They recognized that the McCords, who hadn't caused any damage to the land, had enough equity to warrant foreclosure rather than forfeiture. This decision thereby safeguarded both parties' interests and overturned the initial judgment, sending the case back to the lower court for further proceedings in line with the ruling.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.